The district of San Miguel. A community in the beautiful municipality of the coastal province of Zambales in the Philippines. In this district's main thoroughfare, rows of neighborhood homes were built over time from many phases of multiple modes of construction. Engineered construction or built by a handyman's ingenuity from their tradesman's skill. As a tradition by old folks in the past, some homes were built by local carpenters who are experts to execute the trades from their adapted experience even without the aid of a drawing board. No matter how it evolved, a comfortable shelter has been realized to live in anyone's own home. And these homes are now the fruits of the hard-earned endeavor of investment. In this video, we are building a new home into an imaginary animation. The drawing board has been phased out, but we are now going to show a new trend in digital drawing creation. Finally, it will digitally narrate the transformation of the virtual reality new home. As we can see, the taller building is the proposed 2-story single-family home. To be built in concrete construction. The walls will be constructed using concrete masonry units or locally known as concrete hollow blocks. The roof deck is a concrete slab including the first floor and second floor. It featured in the front facade, a balcony with a plant box, along with an aluminum framed glass panel railing and glass-covered trellis to cover the rainfall and diffuse sunlight. The trellis is a wooden frame along with the horizontal panel on the parapet of the balcony. The partial part of the front wall as shown is applied with textured stone blocks. The adjoining wall on both sides of the exterior is a stucco finish varied in 2 monochromatic color transitions between the first and second floors. The back wall is completely a hollow block firewall separating the rear property line. Although it's not shown, the front openings of the main entrance and garage are installed with a roll-up metal gate. The entrance door is a sliding glass door along with a full-height wall glazing in vinyl framing similar to the glass door and wall panel on the balcony. So next, let's proceed with the floor layout. Okay. Let's first review the first floor plan. Porch is where the main entrance door is located. The entrance wall is glazing with a sliding door entry. For a secured entrance, this is installed with a roll-up metal gate at the exterior front wall. This would cover the porch opening down the pavement floor up above the beam level, because this would serve as well protection from strong rain or during the typhoon season. Garage. A 3-meter wide and 6-meter depth space which is fit for a standard size of a car. The front exterior wall opening is also installed with a roll-up metal garage door. It has an opening of high-level windows along the alley roadside. A low-height tool room is provided on the opening below the staircase, along with door access to the living room and open access to the porch. Living room. With an area of 8.6 square meters. It has a dimension of 2.7 meters by 3.3 meter. Due to privacy, it has 5 feet sill height window along the wall between the exterior wall facing the alley roadside. Dining room. With an area of 10.3 square meters. It has a dimension of 3.8 meters by 2.7 meters. Due to privacy as well, it has 5 feet sill height window along the wall between the exterior wall facing the alley roadside. Kitchen. With an area of 7.3 square meters. It has a dimension of 3.6 meters by 2 meters. It is also 5 feet sill height window along the wall between the exterior wall facing the alley roadside due to privacy as well. Bedroom 1. It has an area of 12 square meters. With a dimension of 3.9 meters by 3.1 meters and has its own closet. Similar to the opposite side of the kitchen, dining, and living rooms, it is also 5 feet sill height windows along the wall between the exterior wall facing the alley roadside due to privacy. Utility room. It has an area of 3.9 square meters. With a dimension of 2.3 meters by 1.6 meters. Similarly, it is also 5 feet sill height windows along the wall between the exterior wall facing the alley roadside. Although the window is fixed together with the back door. This door is locked and to access as an emergency exit only. Washroom. It has an area of 2.9 square meters. With a dimension of 1.8 meters by 1.6 meters. Similar to all of the rooms with 2 feet by 2 feet high windows, it is also 5 feet sill height window along the wall between the exterior wall facing the alley roadside. Laundry. The opening access door between the utility room and washroom. It has an area of 3.9 square meters. With a dimension of 23 meters by 1.6 meters. This is where the stack-type washing machine and dryer are located. It is also included the utility sink, a countertop, and shelving built-in flushed along the wall. Now, let's proceed to the second floor plan. Planter. This is a 10 inches wide plant box set along the full length of the guardrail. Lower halfway from the 3 feet height of the guardrail, which is concreted to hold the garden soil. It presents the decorative feature of the building to display flowering plants and vines. Balcony. With a dimension of 1.4 meters wide and length of 6.8 meters. Accessible with a swing glass door along a glass wall that provides natural light to the interior, stairwell, and corridor. Corridor. As it arrives from the stair, this will be the access to all the second floor rooms en route to the balcony. Storage. It has an area of 4.08 square meters. With a dimension of 2.5 meters by 1.7 meters. It has shelvings built in on the wall and where the ladder hatch is located to access the roof deck. Similar to first floor rooms, it has 2 feet by 2 feet awning window with 5 feet sill height from the floor. Washrooms. Because this is a common use of the occupants of the second floor, it was divided into individual access doors. Except for the powder room, it has 2 basin vanity to serve 2 persons at the same time. Bedroom 2. It has an area of 11.14 square meters. With a dimension of 3.9 meters by 2.9 meters and has its own closet. Different from bedroom 1 on the first floor, it has a 3 feet sill height 2 feet by 4 feet double hang windows. Bedroom 3. It has an area of 11.61 square meters. With a dimension of 4.1 meters by 2.8 meters and has its own closet. Similar to bedroom 2, it has a 3 feet sill height of 2 feet by 4 feet double hung windows. Bedroom 4. It has an area of 12.91 square meters. With a dimension of 4.3 meters by 3.1 meters and has its own closet. Similar to bedrooms 2 and 3, it has a 3 feet sill height of 2 feet by 4 feet double hung windows. With a building dimension of 7 meters wide and 12 meters depth, the total floor area is 168 square meters for 2 floor levels. Lastly, this proposed new single-family home, as soon as realized, will soon be one of the trailblazers of the developing urban community of the district of San Miguel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe.